Hello everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to install the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio for running the SQL queries into our desktop. So for this you will be needing two files. So you would download these two files from these two websites. So I will be providing the link to these two websites into the description box of this video. So you can go and download both the files from here. So the very first file would be from this particular website, and the file is this one. So you need to download the very first link here, which is present free download for SQL Server Management Studio. And the next file which you need to download here will be the developer version or the express version. So you can either download the developer version for SQL or the express version. So express, this is also a free edition of SQL Server, but it is ideal for development and production for the desktop. So we'll be running all of our queries onto the desktop. Need to download this express. So after you have downloaded both the files, so I have it downloaded from before itself. So you can see this the size is small, 6.08 MB. So the smaller file is from this particular website, you can see, while the larger application is from the other website, from this website, which is the express version. So you have downloaded both the files, you would need to click onto the larger file, so and you would get somewhat this kind of interface here. So here you will just need to do simple installation. The steps are very much simple after this. For me it is installed from before, so that is why it is showing uninstall. For you guys it would be simply, instead of uninstall, it would be install. Just simple steps which you need to follow, and after this the SQL Server will be installed into your desktop. So after the application had been installed, so you would just need to type here into the search box SSMS, and the SQL Server would open up here like this. You can see here you would get somewhat this kind of interface. Here you would need to connect to your server, so I would just click on this connect button. Our system is ready. If I have an Excel sheet and I want to import in this SQL Server, so how to do that? So first of all I would need to create a new database here. So I would just create any database. You can rename as per your interest, so whatever you want you can just name this. So I would just name this as test, and I'll click on to OK button. And after you have clicked onto this, you can see test database has been created. So I have the project. So this was the portfolio project which I had made a tutorial video. So if you haven't checked out these portfolio project which I had created on Microsoft SQL Server, I would highly recommend you to check out all those videos for the portfolio project, and you can add them into your resume also. To import the Excel sheet, first of all we need to right click onto our new database which we have created. Then we would need to go to task. Here we would need to click on to this import data. Next, here we will need to provide what is our data source. So our data source is the Microsoft Excel. So here we would need to browse our Excel sheet. So I would just provide any Excel sheet. I would click on to the next. So might face this error also. So what you can try, so you could just do a simple hit and trial method, and you can just select any of these random Excel version, and whichever works for you, just go ahead with that. So for example this particular version worked for me, I would just go ahead with this. Everything is fine, so I would click on to the next button. We would need to select here the very last option. For me the last option is the SQL Server Native Client 11.0. so you would need to click this particular option here. Then you would need to click onto the next button, again next, and here the entire data sheet would have been imported. Click onto the button to complete the task, and you can see the success message 640 rows have been transferred. So we'll just need to close this. So to see whatever the output or whatever, how do we operate or write the queries, so we would need to click onto this new query option here. And let's say I want to see what is present into my data sheet which I imported right now. So I would do a simple select star from, and then I would provide my database name. So my database is test. Then I would give a dot here. Then I would write here dbo dot data. So I would just follow this procedure. So you can see I'm going into first into test, and then I am going into dbo, then I'm going to data. So let us select this query and execute the query to see the result. So you can see I've got the output here. So friends, this was the complete installation process for Microsoft SQL Server. So I prepared some portfolio projects, so do check out them, or you can click onto the I button which is popping out right now. Also you can check the other SQL tutorial videos by checking the 0 to 1 advanced SQL course. If you are facing any doubts while installing the Microsoft SQL Server, so you can write your doubts into the comment box. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to receive regular updates on data science and analytics on my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.